Why is there ice on my air conditioner? Ice forms on your air conditioner when warm, moist air touches a very cold evaporator coil, usually because something is blocking proper airflow or the refrigerant level inside the system is too low. Think of your air conditioner like a cold glass of lemonade on a hot day. When warm air touches something really cold, tiny water drops form on the outside, and if it stays cold long enough, those drops can freeze into ice. Your air conditioner has a part called the evaporator coil, and it needs a steady flow of warm air moving across it to work properly. If that airflow gets blocked by a dirty air filter, dusty coils, or closed vents, the coil gets too cold and starts freezing instead of cooling your home. Something most people do not know is that running your air conditioner when it is too cold outside, especially below 60 degrees, can also cause this same freezing problem, even if nothing is broken. Another hidden cause is low refrigerant, which usually means there is a small leak somewhere in the lines, and that lowers the pressure enough to make the coil freeze. The best first step you can take today is to turn off your system. Let the ice melt completely and check your air filter, since a dirty filter causes a huge percentage of these issues. One common mistake is turning the thermostat down even lower when you notice ice, thinking it will cool the house faster, but that actually makes the freezing worse, so instead turn the unit off completely until it thaws. A lot of people also think ice on the unit means the system is working extra hard, when really it means the system cannot breathe properly. So checking and replacing your air filter every 1 to 3 months is a simple fix that prevents this. Many folks also ignore small drips or hissing sounds near the unit, which can point to a refrigerant leak. And that is something a licensed technician needs to look at quickly, since low refrigerant will not fix itself and can damage the compressor over time. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Here, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.